Hi everyone, so I'm doing this video straight after you've seen me make this little card, which was my September swap. What I'm going to do now is just quickly run through the cards that I received in replace of the one that I handed out, which was this one. Move that to one side. So let's start with this one. This one was done by Lindsay. There you go. Very cute. Nice, simple, 4x4, love that shape. Beautiful, love it. So I might have to move these out as well because there's not enough room. Because there was 12 participants. So you have a Christmas card because that time is coming, and that's by Viv. There we go. It's adorable. I love rhinestones. So the next one is by Joe. There we go. Which is just simply adorable. Using lots of our dies, design a series paper. Using some sequins which I've just brought, so I'm excited to use them. Very pretty. I have a baby card that I'm needing to do, so it's a great inspiration. So this one is by Ashley. Using new products from the Autumn Winter catalogue. Hello. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can. So she used some shimmer mist or shimmer paint on the flowers and the sentiment. Creates this cute little shine. I'm very impressed. So this one is from Sarah, my upline. Using the same colours as me. Mint macaron. I think I copied her because I saw a little glimpse of this corner and I just like mint macaron. So sorry Sarah, robbed your idea in the colour. So this one is from Lynn, using Night of Navy. All one colour, apart from the what's it called? Very vanilla, that's the one. But very pretty. The embossing folders in the Autumn Winter catalogue. The leaf and the sentiment is from the annual. Very, very pretty. Love it. I really do enjoy swaps. So this one is from Anne. Using mint macaron again as a base. Don't want to guess the colours because I'll probably be wrong in the circle, but very pretty. So this one's by Chris, also using mint macaron. It's a very pretty colour. You should buy it and try it because you won't regret it. Very pretty. I quite like these circle stamps. I might look at invest in myself. The colours are powder pink, turquoise, tide even, tranquil tide, beautiful. So this one's by Claire, very pretty, delicate little card. So it did get a little damaged, but it's okay. You've got the ink splatter marks in the background, you've got the spotted burst embossing there. Got a little flower, I think it's supposed to be a butterfly, die, pearl, and just hello. Adorable. I'm running out of room, like I said. So the next one is by Helen. Helen's the one who organised all the swaps to go out this month. So this is a card, it's beautiful. I love copper. Copper is my favourite colour. It's all in my kitchen. So this one's a win. Pretty. And there we go. And last but not least is Fatima's card. Also Night of Navy and very vanilla. Oh, I didn't notice. The bow is actually quite glittery. Don't know if you can see that. No, I'm getting too much glare. Perfect. So the stamp set was love what you do. With the sentiment, very pretty. The embossing, well, the cutting out bit was available last month as a limited item, so you missed out, guys. I'm sorry. Maybe it'll be back next year. They've tried to do that sometimes. So that's it. That's all the swaps that I received. The one I gave out was here. I've already posted a video of how to make it, so go check that out. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me in all the links in the description below. Thank you. Bye.